Structure of the atom. Can we see what an atom looks like? No, unfortunately we cannot. Then where do those pictures in our textbook with the atom comes from? Well, based on experiments, a scientist can predict what an atom looks like. Early scientists like Ernest Rutherford, back in the olden days, atoms were thought to be empty sphere. So if you were to shoot atom at another atom, then technically they would go through each other. That is the expected result. So like all scientists, he tested out his hypothesis. So Ernest Rutherford, what he did was, he took some atom and he shot it through other atom. He took alpha particle and shot it through a gold foil. Well, you can't see the atom, so he used a fluorescent screen to detect the atom as it bounced off. The actual result? Well, most of it went through the end, and that's what was expected. However, surprisingly, a few of them were deflected. So the atom, when it was shot towards the other atom, it actually deflected. So that leads us to the question of, why did that happen? So the question is, what could possibly cause the atom to deflect? Explanation? Well, there must be something inside the atom that's dense enough so when they come in contact, cause a deflection. So his conclusion, there must be something in the atom that is dense enough to cause the deflection and small enough to cause a few of them to deflect. He called that the nucleus. So experiment done were from scientists like Earnest discovered the nucleus. Other experiments follow. Thomson discovered the electron. Chadwick discovered the neutron. In an atom, the nucleus is the center, proton is positive, electrons are negative, and the neutron have no charge. Here are a few textbook misconceptions though. Atoms in the textbook are not drawn to scale. The actual size of a nucleus is about 10 to the negative 13 centimeter, size of the atom 10 to the negative 8 centimeter. To put it into perspective, if the nucleus was the size of a dot, the atom would be the size of a football field. Atom joke. At the bar, two friends, Mr. Proton and Miss Neutron, went out for a drink. Mr. Proton, I'll have any adios. Miss Neutron, margarita please. How much? $4.95 for you. And mine? For you, no charge.